I can't believe Cookie Cutie keeps on getting me grounded all the time. I really need to teach her a lesson. What should I do? Wait, I will wake Cookie Cutie up with an air horn tomorrow morning. Ha 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 ha.
Jeanette Mowat.
Let's do it. Now I have to be silent. I will wake Cookie Cutie in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, now.
Oh my god.
What happened, Cookie Cutie?
When I was sleeping, Charlie came into my room and she woke me up with an air horn. I am not joking. He did.
I will have a word with him. Charlie, did you wake Cookie Cutie up with an air horn? Tell me the truth or your computer is going away.
Pum, 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 pum. Yes, I did. I wanted to teach Cookie Cutie a lesson.
Charlie, it is not okay to wake people up with air horns. That's it. You are grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your room now.
Oh no, not again. You've got to be kidding me.